Hey guys, I just wanted to show you my first leopard gecko. Her name is Littlefoot, and this is her setup. So she has a little claiming area right there, calcium dish, her hide with her water, moist box, and paper towel as her substrate. I believe she is a high yellow carrot tail, but I'm not sure. And I don't know if she's het for anything. And maybe she'll drink some water for us. Yep, maybe she will. There she goes. I think it's so cute when they drink water. And try to keep her cage at least 80 to 85 on the warm side. Her heating pad is under that hide, and then on the cool side it's usually around 75, which is over here. But she kind of likes mealworms. She's okay with crickets, but she discovered that she likes dubias better. Maybe she'll go for a swim. So because of her, I decided to get a couple more leopard geckos. She's really cool. Cool facts about leopard geckos is, the one that I like the most is that they poop in one place, and usually her pooping spot is right over here in this corner. Just cleaned it a little while ago, so, which is really cool that they poop in one corner, because then that way you can just clean it regularly and don't have to clean the whole thing every single day. Leopard geckos have eyelids, which is pretty cool, so they can blink. They're nocturnal. They do bark. They have like a little grunt noise when they get a little agitated. I think it's kind of cute, but you know, don't want to try to do it every single time. It's not nice. They don't stick to the wall like other geckos. They have little claws, which you just have to be careful. When they shed, you know, I want to make sure that all the shed comes off with the little toes, because then they get tight in the toes and they come off. And I have an example of that over here. I've got this little girl and the little girl that's in there through Craigslist, and most of their toes are, or most of the tip of the toes are missing, and it's all because of the shed. But let's see if she'll come out for a little bit. Come here. She's pretty sweet. Like I said, because of her, I got a couple more. Her tail fell, so it's came back pretty okay, pretty nice, not too bad. A little chubby. She likes to crawl around my bed sometimes, explore. Nice big fat tail. Her eyes are pretty cool too. Okay. Let's see if I can get her eyes. She's really pretty. I got her from a friend. And nice high yellow spots on her tail. I think that's cute. I like her little spots. So, I think that's it. That's my little girl. That's Littlefoot. And say bye.